Now we're going to look at some algorithms for doing basic division. So I'm sure you've seen this all before, but this question here, A, is equivalent to writing 85 divided by 3. So the dividend goes underneath the shape, and then the divisor goes on the outside. Alright, so in order to solve this, we follow a sequence of steps. We ask ourselves individually, or you can do multiple digits if you feel like it, but it's better to start off with just single digits. How many times does 3 go into 8? Well, it goes in there twice. 3 times 2 is 6, but we can't get any more than that in without it going over that number. So 3 goes into 8 twice, and there's a remainder of 2, which we just bring down here. Then instead of saying 3 into 5, we say 3 into 25. So how many times can we fit 3 into the number 25? And you can fit that in 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Now we have a remainder of 1. Okay, and the way we would write this out as a fraction is going to be 28 and a third. Alright, our remainder goes over the top of our divisor. Alright, let's give another one a go. So 7. So 104 divided by 7. In this case, let's, instead of going 7 into 1 and then 7 into 0, let's do 7 into 10. How many times does 7 go into 10? Well, it goes once with a remainder of 3. How many times does 7 go into 34? Well, it goes 4 times with a remainder of 6. Okay? 14, remainder 6. Which is the same as 14 and 6 sevenths. Alright? Now, it's important to keep your quotient or your answer. Make sure every time that you do these steps, the numbers stay in the same alignment with the dividend. Alright, here are some practice questions for you to do. Just give them a go. Pause the video and I'll solve them afterwards. Right, let's get started. Alright, how many times does 2 go into 1? It doesn't. How many times does 2 go into 16? Well, that goes 8 times with a remainder 1. How many times does 2 go into 18? 9 times. There's no remainder. It goes in evenly. So the answer is 89. Okay, let's do B. 5 into 3,125. How many times does 5 go into 3? It doesn't. How many times does 5 go into 31? Well, it goes into it 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Remainder 1. 5 into 12 goes twice with a remainder of 2. And 5 into 25 goes 5 times. And there's no remainder again. And we're left with 605. Alright, so I hope that was helpful for you. And I will see you in the next video.